What if your train station sounded more like a lullaby than an alarm? In Japan, many train stations use short musical melodies to signal departures instead of harsh warning beeps. Each station can have its own tune, and some melodies are even composed to match the neighborhood's identity or history. The idea became popular because repeated alarm sounds cause stress and noise fatigue for commuters. Melodies, on the other hand, feel calmer and are easier to recognize subconsciously. At busy stations in Tokyo, millions of people hear these tunes every day. Some commuters even become attached to their station's melody, almost like a hometown soundtrack. It's a small design choice, but it changes the entire mood of public transit. Japan didn't just make trains efficient, it made them emotionally quieter too. Follow Japan Uncovered for more hidden details most tourists never notice.